Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use dynamic wallpaper in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings and go to personalization. Now click on themes. Here you can see a list of current theme. So now you have to double click here and click on Use Custom Theme. Now go to Desktop. Here you can see an icon, Learn about this picture. Now click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see different type of background, and this background will be updated daily. So this is how you can use dynamic wallpaper in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.